I, Sanjay Kumar, continue determinant. Today we study minor and cofactor of a determinant. Let determinant is three order. Elements are A first row. In first row, elements are A11, A12, A13. In second row, elements are A21, A22, A23. In third row, elements are A31, A32, A33. We have leave the row and column passing through the element Aij. Any element Aij, if we leave row and column passing through the element Aij, then second order determinant thus obtained is called minor of Aij. It is denoted by Mij. Thus, we can get 9 minors corresponding to 9 elements of a determinant. In a determinant, three order determinant, number of elements is 9. Number of minors is also 9. Taking, for example, taking minor of A11, leaving first row and first column, we get second order determinant A22, A32, A23, A33 is called minor of A11. Similarly, minor of A12 equal to, leaving first row and second column, we get second order matrix. Second order determinant is A21, A31, A23, A33 is called minor of A12. Similarly, minor 2, 3 is eliminate second row and third column. Second row and third column get second order determinant is A11, A31, A12, A32. Minor 3, 3 equal to, eliminate third row and third column, we get A11, A21, A12, A22. Thus, we find the minor of all elements. Eliminate row and column passing through that element. We get second order determinant is minor of that element. Hence, we find the minor of all elements. Cofactors. The minor Mij multiplied by minus 1 to the power I plus j is called cofactor of element Aij and denoted by Aij. For example, cofactor Aij, A11 equal to A11 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, M11 equal to M11, that means A22, A23, A32, A33. Cofactor A12 equal to A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, M12 equal to minus M12 equal to minus A21, A23, A31, A33. If the minor Mi multiplied by minus 1 to the power I plus j, where I is row and j is column, is called cofactor of the element Aij and denoted by Aij, capital Aij. Cofactor of element small aij equal to capital Aij, cofactor Aij equal to minus to the power, row is 1 and column is 1, 1 plus 1 into minor of 1 1, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, the plus 1 into m1 m11 equal to a22 a23 a32 a33. Similarly, we find cofactor of a12 written as capital A12 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, row is 1, column is 2, 1 plus 2 M12 minus 1 to the power 3 minus M12 minus M12 is A21, A23, A31 and A32. Similarly, we find the remaining element, find the cofactor of remaining element on this way. In terms of notation of minor, if we expand the determinant along the first row, in terms of minor, determinant equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 A11 into M11 plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 A12 into M12 plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 A13 M13. On solving, minus 1 to the power 2 equal to plus 1 A11 M11 minus 1 to the power 3 negative minus A12 M12 minus 1 to the power 4 positive equal to A13 M13. Similarly, expand determinant along second column, then determinant equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 A12 M12 plus minus 1 to the power A2 plus 2 A22 M22 plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 A32 M32. On solving, minus 1 to the power 3 negative minus A12 M12 minus 1 to the power 4 positive plus A22 M22 minus 1 to the power 5 negative minus A32 M32. In terms of notation of cofactor, if we expand the determinant along first row, in terms of the notation of cofactor, if we expand along third column, determinant equal to A13 plus A23 plus A33. Similarly, along second row, determinant equal to along second row A21 capital A21 plus A22 capital A22 plus A23 into capital A23. Thus we find the determinant according to minor or according to cofactor. If we multiply cofactor of any row multiply with the element of another row, the value of determinant becomes 0. Taking element of any row multiply with the cofactor of other row, determinant value of determinant becomes 0. Similarly, if taking element in any row minor of another row, then determinant becomes 0. For example, delta equal to A11 capital A21 A12 A22 A13 A23. Taking element along first row, multiply cofactor of second row. Taking element in first row, multiply with cofactor of second row, then value of determinant becomes 0. Taking element in first row and cofactor taking in second row, multiply, then we get that the value of determinant equal to 0. Element in first row and first column is A11, cofactor of second row and first column is A21, plus element in first row and second column, cofactor is second row, second column, element in first row and third column, cofactor is second row and third column, value of determinant is 0. Evaluation of a determinant by search diagram. Let delta equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. On solving, we get A11, A22, A32, A23, A33 minus A12, A21, A31, A22, 23, A33 plus A13, A21, A31, A22, A32 equal to A11, A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32 minus A12, A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31 plus A13, A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31 equal to A11, A22, A33 minus A11, A23, A32 minus A12, A21, A33 minus plus A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21, A32 minus A13, A22, A31 equal to A11, A22, A33 plus A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21, A32 minus A11, A11, A23, A32 minus A12, A21, A33 minus A13 A22 A31. On solving determinant, we get the result this. Now, according to Schur's diagram, we solve this written as A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33. Repeat again. A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32. On multiplying top to a diagonal, this A11 into A22 into A33 plus second diagonal A12, A23, A31 plus third diagonal plus A13, A21, A32 minus bottom diagonal, first bottom diagonal A31, A22, A13 minus second bottom diagonal A32, A23, A11 minus third bottom diagonal minus A33, A21, A22, get same result. A11, A22, A33, A12, A23, A31, A13, A21, A32, minus A11, A23, A32, minus A11, A11, A22, A22, A33 plus A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21, A32 minus A11, A23, A32 minus A12, A21, A33 minus A13, A22, A31. We get the same result. According to Schur's law, write the matrix. Again repeat it, multiplying first diagonal top, taking first element at top in a diagonal plus second diagonal plus third diagonal minus bottom first diagonal minus second diagonal bottom minus third bottom diagonal, get the same result. It is solved by Schur's rule. Now taking an example, determinant A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5. Solving this determinant by Schur's diagram. First of all, written as 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 0. A equal to multiplying first diagonal 1 into 3 into 5 plus second diagonal 2 into 4 into 2 plus third diagonal 3 into 2 into 0 minus bottom first diagonal 2 into 3 into 3 minus bottom second diagonal 0 into 4 into 1 minus bottom third diagonal 5 into 2 into 2. On solving we get 15, 16, 0, 18, 0, 20 equal to 31 minus 38 equal to minus 7. According to Sir's law, first of all, written determinant at 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 5. Repeat first column again and second column after that. Taking first diagonal, multiply first element of first diagonal, plus multiply element of second diagonal, plus multiply element of third diagonal from bottom, minus multiply element of first diagonal, minus multiply element of second diagonal, multiply minus element of third diagonal. We get the area minus 7. Find some questions. Solving some question. Find the value of x if determinant 3x7 minus 2 4 equal to 8 7 6 4. 3x7 minus 2 4 equal to 8 7 6 4. 3x into 4 minus 7 into minus 2 equal to 8 into 4 minus 7 into 6. We get 12x plus 14 equal to 32 minus 42. 12x plus 14 equal to minus 10. 12x equal to minus 10 minus 14. 12x equal to minus 24. X equal to minus 24 by 12 equal to x equal to minus 2. Evaluate the determinant, left hand determinant and right hand determinant. I equate, we get x equal to minus 2. 3x into 4 minus 7 into minus 2 equal to 8 into 4 minus 7 into 6. 12x minus minus plus 14. 8 into 4 32 minus 7 into 6 42. 12x plus 14 equal to minus 10. 12x equal to minus 10 minus 14. X equal to minus 14 by 12. X equal to minus 2. Another question. Find the cofactor of 3 and minus 2 of the determinant 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 4 5 6. 3 lie in second row and first column. Cofactor of 3 equal to minus 1 to the power second row and first column 2 plus 1. Eliminating second row and first column, we get 0, 5, minus 2, 6 equal to minus 1 to the power 3 minus into 0 minus 5 into minus 2 equal to minus into 10 equal to minus 10. Cofactor of minus 2 equal to minus 2 lie in first row and third column. Minus 1 to the power first row and third column 1 plus 3. First eliminate first row and third column, we get determinant of second order 3 minus 1 4 5 equal to minus 1 to the power 4 plus 3 into 5 minus minus 1 into 4 equal to 15 minus minus plus 4 equal to 19. That means cofactor of 3 equal to minus 10, cofactor of minus 2 equal to 19.